Sharing experiences. Weaving stories into English conversation. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we'll be diving into a key part of conversational English: sharing personal experiences and anecdotes. We'll explore how you can use your own stories to provide context, to give advice, and to make your conversations more engaging. Remember, in English, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. So, what exactly is an anecdote? An anecdote is a brief, engaging story about a real incident or person. It's usually personal, offering a glimpse into your life or someone else's. Anecdotes can serve different purposes in a conversation. They can entertain, inspire, or even offer a lesson. For instance, you might say, when I was learning to cook, I once forgot to turn off the stove and almost set the kitchen on fire. So, always remember to double-check your stove. See how this anecdote is not just entertaining but also serves to emphasize the advice you're offering? The key to a good anecdote is keeping it simple and focused. You don't want to tell a long-winded story that loses your listener's interest. It should be brief, relevant to the conversation, and contain a clear point or message. You can start your anecdote with phrases like, "Did I ever tell you about the time? This reminds me of when," or, "I remember once." These phrases serve as good conversation starters and draw your listener's interest. Let's take an example. "Did I ever tell you about the time I tried skydiving? It was terrifying but exhilarating at the same time. If you're looking for a thrill, I definitely recommend it." One great use of anecdotes is in offering suggestions or advice. By tying advice to a real-world experience, it feels more authentic and relatable. For example, you might say, "When I started running, I found it tough to keep going. But then, I started listening to music while running, and it made all the difference. Maybe you should try it too." Here, your personal experience not only serves as a testament to your advice but also makes it more likely for the listener to take it seriously. And there you have it. By sharing your personal experiences and anecdotes, you can make your English conversations more engaging and advice more impactful. Remember, anecdotes are personal, simple, and with a clear message. Use them to entertain, inspire, and offer advice. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep sharing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!